I think the UK is so dependent on trade within the EU and then the EU trade with the US that it would be so stupid and counterproductive to leave the European Union.
Every time people say there's really good points of leaving, it's like, okay, yeah, that's really good, yeah, sovereignty, blah, 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 blah. But if we actually want to go back to trade with the EU, we're going to have to draw up loads more agreements.
We should stay in of the EU because we're all friends, we all love each other, and I think we should be able to travel freely within the EU.
The reason we are voting out is because the government are putting so much energy into telling us to vote in, and given the fact that David Cameron is epically stressed under his job role, gives me the impression that something is wrong in the country, that he needs help by staying in the EU.
So I think the UK should stay in the European Union, mainly because the UK being in would make it better as they would be together as a whole, and it would be great for trading. You have the freedom of movement, so you have no issues going from country to country, and being together also allows for world peace and just makes everyone more unified.
As well as starting the camera, students also wrote their opinions on our Are You In or Out whiteboard. Protecting rights was one of the major reasons students want to stay in the EU, particularly maternity rights, human rights and workers' rights. Others said that they would vote in because they considered it to be the safer option, safer economically in the current global climate, safer in terms of security and defence, and safer in terms of employment and opportunities. Another reason why students want to remain part of the EU is freedom of movement. Several students highlighted the opportunities presented to young people by exchange schemes like Erasmus, while others were of the opinion that visa-free travel promotes international understanding and friendship, resulting in the longest period of peace that Europe has ever seen. The primary concern of those students who want to leave the EU was money. Above all, students were worried about the amount of money the UK pays to remain part of this international club, stating that they felt that this money would be better spent on projects and services in the UK. Students for leaving the EU were also concerned about freedom of movement and migration, saying that open borders present a security risk, making it easier for criminals and terrorists to enter the UK from the continent. Others were anxious about sovereignty, expressing concern about the number of UK laws that are made in Brussels rather than London. Many outers were keen for the UK to leave the EU so they can concentrate on developing trade and cultural links with the Commonwealth, including countries such as Australia, Nigeria, India and Pakistan, rather than with other European nations. Yet others wanted the UK to leave the EU simply because the current Conservative UK government want us to stay in. Many students were undecided, saying that they hadn't heard enough convincing or solid arguments either way. Some could see the pros and cons of staying and leaving, but were yet to make up their minds.
I'd like to Britain to stay in the European Union, so more students from my home country, from Lithuania, could come here to study.
It's easy for us to travel around the world with Europe, so that's why I get here. Basically, I use the Erasmus program to get here, so yeah, that's really enjoyable for me as a student.
I think we should vote to stay in the EU because in the North East we get quite a lot of grants and subsidies for the arts and regeneration, and in the current climate you're probably a little bit safer being in the EU rather than out on your own if anything bad were to happen.
I'm currently undecided because I don't feel there's enough information available for me to make a really strong positive decision.
Europe to me is a collaboration of countries working in unity to try and make a better standard of living for its members.
I mean, being in the EU, there's a lot more regulations. I mean, people like Theresa May want to get rid of the human rights laws we've got in place, which I think is ridiculous.
I'm definitely voting in because I don't like the uncertainty of leaving the EU, and everything's fine, and if there's not a problem, don't try and fix it. Just leave everything how it is. It's safe. I feel safe.
Fair enough.